Join me in the world of immersive design. No drafting tools needed. Designing custom cabinets for your room or for your client. Try this immersive user-friendly design tool, Cabinet Design Workshop. Developed as an add-on for widely used 3D modeling software, this app provides you with 3 simple steps to design a customized cabinet layout that perfectly meets your needs. All using hand gestures, no controllers needed. Each step provides a set of dimensions carefully defined by a professional architect, that's me, to ensure your design is both usable and optimized. Once you find the layout that works for you, you can click the export button to bring the cabinet into your drafting software. You can also check the final dimensions. A custom edge profiling feature will be implemented in the next version soon. Developed with Meta's Mixed Reality Utility Kit, this app can automatically understand your room setup previously configured with your Oculus Quest device. No need to set up anything, just jump right into the world of immersive design.